mates, welcome back to yet another video. And today guys is an uncut raw video. I'm not going to be cutting out any scenes, it's all just going to be flowing. So it's going to be the first time I'm ever doing this, so I'm just literally making the content as it comes. You're going to see it as it is, a day in the life, what it is like to own and drive an Abarth 595 Turismo. Yeah, what it. As you can tell, we have the cold start underway. For those of you who are new to the channel guys, this is a Toyo catback exhaust system. It is very loud on the cold start, that initial period where it's got like the high revs, and then she does drop down eventually, but it's this initial phase. That's why I'm parked over here by myself. Because it is loud. Alright, let's lock in. It's another beautiful day today guys, and I'm just warming the car up before we start hammering it, you know what I'm saying? You guys know how it goes. Alright folks, sport mode is coming alive. We're on. We've got another beautiful day ahead of us. Yeah buddy! Woo! He looks cold. Jesus. Gear 3. We just do a little one for now guys. We are en route to the gym guys. Gotta get that session in before the 9 to 5. And here we go. We're gonna open her up. Gear 3 out this roundabout. Just want to nip in front of this car. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's an Abarth guys, it can do corners, it can. Anyone who has one of these cars, you will know just how fun they are when you want them to be. It's like having a, you know, a button on tap for when you want to just open the gates. It is very fun. Opening the gates, baby. Woo, turbo gates, shall we say. Might drop a window here guys. It is 2 degrees outside, so it's going to be cold. All in the name of content. Just where I was hoping they weren't going to go. You little is annoying. Why are you in front of me? You... Nah. When you can hear the birds, the sun is coming out, like the world is alive, you know what I mean, around us. And so many a time people are fast asleep to these things. Don't want that diesel in my car, bro. Thank you very much. Let's find a parking, eh? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's that turbo, guys. You ready for the best part? Because here it comes. Nearly went off the back. Alright folks, well we're at the gym. We're going to try and get a little leg session in today. Again guys, if you haven't done it before, try and start your day with a little bit of a exercise or some form of exercise. Not this is a car page, but you know what I mean. Anyways, just finished up at the gym. Cold starters en route. Yeah, and we've got a little buddy next to us, RS. Well, I don't think this is an RS, this is just an ST. Very, very nice. What do you guys think of these? I really, really used to love these when I was growing up. Always wanted one. Very nice. Also, very nice. Alrighty folks, we have rocked up at the Graft at the 925er. We are starting at 8:45, time is 8:12, so I'll go and have a coffee. Get the party started, but always such a nice way to start any day. It's just doing a little bit of something for yourself. So yes guys, you're going to see me shortly for you in the video, and I'll see you in a few hours. See you then. Alrighty guys, so as promised, I have returned, and this time with the weather. It'd be like really dark at this point, so yeah, grateful to say the least, but yes, I love finishing work and then you've got this beautiful weather. Absolutely stunning. Just about 6 PM over here. Now if you can hear that turbo, gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. We aren't in sport mode currently because we're just cruising, we're in chill mode. Woo! Yeah buddy! Can hear what I can hear, and it sounds good. Best sounding 1.4s to date, I reckon. Just that unique sound these engines make, guys. WTF, man. Who put the Waitrose bag in the middle of the seats in the camera? Who did that? Okay. Let's quickly. Jeepers. Here we go. Come on. It's that turbo. Listen. Just whistling. Sounds so good. Meaty. Ooh. Ah, man, I love this weather. I love this country. When the weather's like this in particular, don't get me wrong, when it's winter and the days are long, it gets very hard. But when you finish work, jump in the car, go for a cruise, you know what I'm saying? I know there'll be many of you who are cruisers. You just want to get in your car, turn it on for the first time in a few hours. Absolutely stunning. See what we got here. Oh, turbo, man. See if we can do a U-turn over here. Reverse, best gear. When it gargles like that. Ooh. Damn. Don't curb it, don't curb it, don't curb it. Don't curb it. Alright, beautiful people. I can't even see you guys because it is such a good day. That's when you know. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this uncut, raw version. It's not much different, to be honest, to my original videos that I make anyways with the vlog style content. Just got a little bit more cutting here and there. But yes, we're just going to chuck this up and see how it does, see how you guys enjoy it. But please make sure you are all enjoying this beautiful weather, making the most of it, spending the time with the loved ones, people that matter the most, even if that means yourself. And stay tuned for the next video, guys. As always, stay locked in. Please make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you haven't done so already. Lekker. Bye.